The storm isn't coming. It's already here, and it's not outside. It's inside you. This is mind over storm, and this is where the war begins. You're not here for fluffy quotes. You're not here for feel-good vibes. You're here because something broke, something shattered. Maybe it was your job. Maybe it was your marriage. Maybe it was your body. Maybe it was your hope. You've tried everything: therapy, medication, alcohol, hustle culture, manifestation, gratitude journals, morning routines, cold plunges. Nothing works, nothing lasts. But 2,000 years ago, men faced worse: plague, war, slavery, execution, betrayal, starvation. And they didn't just survive, they thrived. They laughed at death. They ruled their minds. They forged peace in hell. Their weapon? A philosophy, a system, a code. This is Stoicism, not the watered-down Instagram quote version, not the just think positive nonsense. This is the raw, bloody, unfiltered Stoicism, the kind that turned a crippled slave into a legend, the kind that kept an emperor sane on a battlefield, the kind that can save you. Welcome to Mind Over Storm, the faceless channel that doesn't sell you peace, it arms you for war. Today, you're getting the full arsenal: 4 ancient weapons, 2 daily rituals, 1 7-day challenge, and a complete breakdown of how to live this philosophy, not just read it. By the end of this video, you'll never fear chaos again. You'll walk through fire and come out unburned. You'll own your mind like never before. Let's begin. Chapter 1. The Great Lie. We all believe. Let's start with the lie. The one we all swallowed. The one that keeps us chained. I'll be happy when... Finish the sentence. Be honest. I'll be happy when I get the promotion. I'll be happy when I lose 20 pounds. I'll be happy when I find the one. I'll be happy when I have $1 million. I'll be happy when my anxiety goes away. We've all said it. We've all chased it. We've all wasted years waiting for that when. But here's the truth, and it's going to sting. Happiness is not a destination. It's a decision, and the proof is in history. Let's go to Rome. Year 175 AD. The Antonine Plague is sweeping the empire. 1 in 3 people are dying. The Parthian War is draining the treasury. Marcus Aurelius, emperor, general, philosopher, sits in a tent on a muddy battlefield. His army is starving. His best friend just died. His wife is sick. His advisors are plotting against him. And in that tent, by flickering candlelight, he opens his journal, what we now call meditations, and writes, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Read that again, out loud if you can. He didn't say, "I'll be happy when the war ends. I'll be happy when the plague stops. I'll be happy when my enemies are gone." He said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." That wasn't a motivational poster. That was a battle cry. He wasn't happy because life was good. He was calm because he refused to let the storm own him. That's mind over storm. Not waiting for the weather to change, changing the man in the storm. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you said, "I can't be happy until..." Stop. Right now. That sentence is poison. Because the truth is, you don't need anything to be happy. You need discipline. You need clarity. You need control over your mind. And that's what Stoicism gives you. Not hope, power. Chapter 2. The 4 Stoic weapons. Your arsenal against chaos. The Stoics didn't leave us poetry. They didn't leave us prayers. They left us weapons. 4 of them, forged in fire, tested in hell, used by slaves, emperors, and warriors. And today, I'm handing them to you, one by one. with instructions, with exercises, with proof they work. Let's begin. Weapon number 1. The dichotomy of control. The first weapon is the most powerful. It's the foundation of everything. It's the line in the sand. Epictetus, born a slave, leg crushed by his master, said, "Some things are up to us. Some things are not." That's it. That's the entire philosophy in one sentence. Let me break it down. Things not up to you. The weather, the economy, your boss's mood, whether someone loves you back, your genetics, your past, what people think of you, traffic, cancer, death. Things up to you, your effort, your honesty, your kindness, your courage, your reaction, your next word, your next breath, your next decision. That's it. That's the line. Now here's the secret. 99% of your stress comes from trying to control the left side. You can't control the storm, but you can control how you sail. Exercise. Do this tonight. Take out a piece of paper, draw a line down the middle. Left side, write everything stressing you out. Job, money, example, health, future. Right side, write what you can control. My effort, my sleep, my words, my learning. Now cross out everything on the left. Burn it, literally, in a safe bowl. Watch it turn to ash. That's mind over storm, in action. You just freed yourself. From this moment forward, only fight battles you can win. Only rule the kingdom that is yours. Weapon number 2, premeditatio malorum, the fear rehearsal. The second weapon is dark, but it's powerful. The Stoics didn't avoid fear, they rehearsed it. Every morning, Seneca, one of the richest men in Rome, would sit in silence and ask, "What's the worst that could happen today?" Then he'd imagine it, in detail. I could lose all my money, my house could burn down, my wife could leave me, I could be exiled, I could die. He'd feel the panic, the grief, the shame. Then he'd open his eyes and say, "I'm still here. I can handle it. This isn't negativity. This isn't toxic. This is emotional vaccination. You don't get stronger by avoiding pain. You get stronger by surviving it in your mind first." Do this right now. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Imagine your worst fear. Getting fired. Your partner leaving. Your parent dying. Going broke. Being alone forever. Feel it. Let it hit. Let your chest tighten. Let the tears come. Now open your eyes. You're still breathing. You just survived the worst. In your mind. Now the real version? Child's play. Do this every morning for 30 days. You'll become immune to fear. Weapon number 3. Amor Fati. Love of fate. The third weapon is the hardest, but it's the most liberating. Amor Fati, Latin for love of fate. Epictetus said, "Don't wish for things to happen as you want. Want them to happen as they do, and you will go on well." Translation. Love the storm. Not because it's good, not because it's fair, but because it's here. Your breakup, Amor Fati. Your failure, Amor Fati. Your pain, Amor Fati. Your enemy's victory, Amor Fati. Say it out loud. This is exactly what I needed. This is my training ground. The obstacle is the way. The storm is the forge. You are the blade being sharpened. Let me tell you a story. There was a man named James Stockdale, Navy pilot, shot down over Vietnam, spent 7 years in a POW camp. Tortured, starved, isolated. He survived because of Stoicism. He said, "I never lost faith in the end of the story." He didn't wish for freedom. He loved the prison because it made him unbreakable. Amor Fati isn't passive. It's active acceptance. It's saying yes to reality and then using it. From now on, every time something bad happens, smile, say, "Good." Ask, "How can this make me stronger?" That's mind over storm. Weapon number 4, the view from above. The fourth weapon is cosmic. It's the ultimate perspective shift. When Marcus Aurelius wanted to scream, he zoomed out, way out. He wrote, "Asia and Europe are corners of the universe. The ocean is a drop. Mount Olympus is a grain. This moment is a point in eternity. Your boss yelling? A speck. Your breakup? A blink. Your anxiety? A whisper in the void. Try this now. Close your eyes. Imagine you're 1,000 feet above your city, then 10,000, then 100,000, then on the moon, then in the Andromeda Galaxy. Look back at Earth. See that tiny blue dot? Now find your country, your city, your house, your body, your problem. It's nothing, less than nothing. Now laugh, because in the grand scheme, your drama is dust, but your response, your character, your virtue, that echoes forever. Use this weapon when you're stuck in traffic, someone cuts you off, you get bad news, you feel small. Zoom out, laugh, come back stronger. Chapter 3. The Mind over Storm Morning Ritual. Now let's build your daily system. The Stoics didn't wing it. They had rituals, discipline, structure. Here's your 5-minute Mind over Storm Morning Protocol trademark. Do this every day for 30 days. You will transform. Step 1. The 10-second vow. Silence. Deep breath. Ask, what kind of person do I choose to be today? Answer in one word. Courageous, disciplined, kind, calm, honest. That word is your identity for the next 24 hours. You are becoming it. Step 2. The fear rehearsal. 2 minutes. Write in a journal. Worst case scenario today. How I will respond with virtue. Example, I get rejected for the job. I stay calm, thank them, apply to 5 more. My car breaks down. I walk, save money, build resilience. Step 3. The cosmic zoom. 1 minute. Close your eyes. Rise above Earth. Look down. Say, this day is a gift. I will not waste it. Step 4. Amor Fati declaration. 30 seconds. Out loud. Whatever happens today, I welcome it. It is my training. Step 5. The micro action. 30 seconds. Write one tiny action you'll take in the next hour. Send that email, make that call, do 10 push-ups, drink water, then do it. No excuses. Do this every morning. For 30 days. You will wake up bulletproof. You will own your day before it owns you. This is Mind over Storm. Chapter 4. The 3 Stoic traps and how to escape. Even the smartest people break. Here's why and how to avoid it. Trap. Number 1. The certainty curse. I already know. The moment you think you've figured life out, you stop growing. Escape. Every week, learn one thing that scares you. A skill, a truth, a vulnerability. Stay a student forever. Trap number 2. The overthinking loop analysis, paralysis. Your brain is a Ferrari, but if you never leave the garage, it's just noise. Escape. The 5-second rule. Feel the urge to act. 5-4-3-2-1. Go. Action kills overthinking. Trap number 3. The ego fortress. I don't need help. Pride builds walls. Humility opens doors. Escape. Every day, ask one person for advice, even if you think you know better. Listen like your life depends on it, because it does. Chapter 5. Stoic Love. How to love without losing yourself. Stoics weren't cold. They loved deeply, but wisely. Here's the Mind over Storm. Love code. Love them as they are, not as you wish they were. Never make your peace dependent on their behavior. Prepare for loss every day. Kiss like it's the last time. Give without expectation. If they leave, let them. Your heart is yours to guard. Chapter 6. Memento Mori. Death is your secret weapon. Every Stoic kept a skull on their desk, not to be morbid, to wake up. Memento Mori equals remember you will die, not to depress you, to free you. Because when you remember death, traffic doesn't matter, gossip doesn't matter, only now matters. Do this tonight. Lie in bed. Close your eyes. Imagine this is your last night. What would you regret not saying? Who would you call? What would you stop caring about? Then do it tomorrow. Death doesn't make life meaningless. It makes it urgent. Chapter 7. The Mind Over Storm. Evening ritual. Marcus Aurelius ended every day with 3 questions. Do this tonight. What did I do well today? Celebrate the wins, even tiny ones. Where did I fall short? No judgment, just truth. How will I be better tomorrow? 1 action, 1 virtue, then close the journal. Sleep like a king. Chapter 8. The 7-Day Mind Over Storm Challenge. Here's your 7-day transformation. Do this, and your life will never be the same. Day 1. Dichotomy fast. No complaining, only control what you can. Journal your circle. Day 2. Fear rehearsal. Write your biggest fear. Live it in your mind. Survive it. Day 3. Amor Fati day. Say, this is perfect to everything, even bad Wi-Fi. Day 4. Cosmic zoom. 3 times today. Rise to space. Laugh at your problems. Day 5. Silence. Day. No music. No podcasts. Face your thoughts. Day 6. Memento Mori walk. Walk through a cemetery. Read the tombstones. Live. Day 7. Legacy letter. Write to your future self. 10 years from now. What do you want to have stood for? Post your results with #MindOverStorm. Chapter 9. The Final Charge. This is your war. This is Mind Over Storm. This is your channel. This is your fight. The storm is coming. It's already here. But you're not running. You're not hiding. You're not breaking. You're standing. With 4 weapons. With 2 rituals. With a death wish for your old self. This is not the end. This is day 1. So here's your mission. Do the 7-day challenge. Subscribe to Mind Over Storm. Comment, I'm in. Share this with 1 person who needs it. Because the storm doesn't care who you were. It only cares who you become. And you're becoming unbreakable. I'll see you in the comments. I'll see you in the storm. This is Mind Over Storm. And the storm just met its match. Thank you for joining Mind Over Storm. True growth comes from within. Keep reflecting. Keep growing. See you in the comments. See you in the storm.